cruisers, so this is stateroom 6162. And this is a category 5, which is a Deluxe Oceanview stateroom with veranda. So we're going to go ahead and get our bands and go on in. Okay, cruise nerds, so when you come into stateroom 6162, we are assembly station B, so when you come in into the door, the bathrooms are going to be on your right there, and then the closets are going to be on your left. So also, cruise nerds, when you first come in, you're going to see this slot right here, and this is on majority of the ships, I believe, since they've updated. You'll need to make sure to have a key or some kind of ID or something of that nature for this top one, because that's how you turn on the lights, or at least it will start, and then you'll turn the lights on there. So just a heads up, cruise nerds. So there's, just like on the treasure of the doors, there's 2 sets of closets, and then for this particular stateroom, it's a split bath for the stateroom. So let's go ahead and go to the first bathroom, which this bathroom, sorry about that, cruise nerds, is going to have the toilet and sink right here. Then there's the shelving on the right hand side of the mirror right here, and then on the left it's going to be the towel. Then right below we do have the trash can, then a needle box right there, and if you don't see one and you need a needle box, definitely talk to your stateroom host or hostess. Extra toilet paper and Kleenex right here, and then there's going to be a little extra storage right over there. So that's bathroom number 1, and then we're going to come right over to bathroom number 2. Same thing. We're just going to turn the light on, let it adjust. There is the shower right there. Then there's the mirror. Hi, cruise nerds. Then we have washcloths, makeup wipe, lotion, towels right here, cruise nerds, trash bin and Kleenex, and a little storage on the right hand side. And then in the shower there is the Sea Marine shampoo and body wash. This has the tub and shower. So now to the closets. So this first set of doors for the closet, it's split down the middle. You can see it's divided. So this first door, it has some life vests right here, hangers. Now on this one, there is a small shelf, and then you can put shoes on the bottom or whatever you might need to put right there. And then this one right here is shelving. So let me get over here so it's a little better, prisoners. So life vests, a little bit of shelving, a little space right there. And then we do have the laundry bag and laundry service slips, safe, which pulls out and slides again, and more shelving for shoes and whatnot. Okay, then we come to the second set of doors for the closet. Now this is a full-on one. So this one is not split. So there is shelving right up here, and then hangers and shelf, and then space right here, cruise nerds. So there's plenty of space for luggage and shoes and everything like that. Now we're going to go to the main bedroom in just a moment, but you can see right past the closets on the left hand side, there is a connecting door for the stateroom, and this one goes to 6164. Okay, so this is connecting to 6164. Now here is the bedroom, or the room. Now this is a Hercules themed, as y'all already noticed outside, but here's the queen bed. and with the blanket at the bottom. Now, cruise nerds, just a heads up, this particular blanket, regardless of what ship you are on, this is going to be $390 as of this recording. This particular blanket, once again, is $390. Okay, cruise nerds. So we're gonna, as you can see, Hercules themed, and it's Mount Olympus. Wow. Okay, cruise nerds. All right, so we have the lamp, reading light, switches, and then a European type plug and a USB and a USB-C. Move over here. And then, of course, we do have the TV right here, cruise nerds. So we have that right there. I love the theming. Each of the Wish class ships have a different theme right there. Now we're going to come back over here. We do have another drawer and 2 wall plugs and 2 USB-Cs, along with the lampshade. Okay, and then cruisers, I just noticed that there's Pain and Panic along with Hades to the side here. Oh, and it looks like a comic strip from the song One Last Hope, right above the couch. Okay, cruisers, now this one is just a 3-person, because this will turn into a sleeper sofa, and then there's no upper berth, so this one only sleeps 3. So just a heads up there, cruise nerds. Now to the desk. Now we do have a phone right here, which I love how they did it here on the Treasure and on the Disney Destiny. You can actually see it, and you can see the different buttons here, which one you need. A little bit of shelving on this side, at least, cruise nerds. Then we have a stool and drawer right here, cruise nerds. Stationery, emergency contacts. Then we have hair dryer right here in the first drawer. And it seems like deeper drawers here, cruise nerds. And then one big drawer on the other side of that. And then we have a cooler. Once again, if you need it cooler than what it is in the cooler, do request ice. And then there's shelving right here, cruise nerds, which are a little bit wider. And then we do have glasses here. Now you do need to request ice from your housekeeping team once you meet them. And then right here we do have more plugs. European type plug for the hair dryer, 2 wall plugs, and 2 USBs. Alright, cruise nerds, so also I forgot to mention that here are the different buttons here at the desk. So there's the mirror, then there's also a ceiling one, which I'm not going to turn off right now. Then there is the curtain, which is right here, cruise nerds. By the looks of it, I might have to talk to the stateroom host about that. And then we also have the balcony, which is the light, which I will show you in just a moment. Now we're going to go out to the veranda. Alright, cruise nerds, I already have it somewhat started just to go ahead and do, but we're going to make sure that this is unlocked. And then we're also going to unlock this, because that needs to be unlocked. So we have 2 chairs and a little table right here, cruise nerds. And these are connected to either side of either stateroom 6160, and then also looks like it's 6164. And it looks like this is our view for time being. Alright, cruise nerds, so while you're out here, just so you know, for all verandas, they do have a light right above the door here. Okay, cruise nerds, and the button for that is actually on the desk. So that can be turned on by there. Ahoy, cruise nerds. Well, thank you for joining me on another stateroom tour. This is Stateroom 6162, and this is a Category 5. It's a Deluxe Oceanview stateroom with veranda. So I do hope this helps a little bit for your choice for the Disney Destiny. Alright, cruise nerds. See y'all real soon for the next stateroom tour.